Good afternoon, everybody. This is Nate Green over at Bully and RV. I got another video here for you today. Just pumping out videos rapidly. I'm happy to help. Well, happy to help get the information out to you. So today we have a 2024 Keystone Bullet 2290BH. So we're gonna go around some of the features on the outside. I'll take you on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, help Bully and get to 20,000 subscribers. And then once I'm walking around this unit here, all the information is gonna pop up right around here, but let's get started. All right, so there's the front cap there. Two 20-pound propane tanks, and then we do install the battery upon purchase here as well. I'm going to take a step back. This does have one slide I do have out here. Coming around to some of the storage. So you can see a large pass-through storage here, and then off to the left here you're going to see your smart solar charge controller. Up above you're going to see your inverter prep. Right here you're going to have your tire link prep cover, and then of course you're going to have your solar panel disconnect there as well. And then we're going to have our city water, fresh water connection, all of our hookups here. Signal controller for our satellite and our TV. And then we're going to have our extend and retract here for our jacks. Excuse me, paused there. See, there's that slide for us. This is a double axle. I'm going to come around here. But since we're here, we do have our gray tank and our black tank down below. The GoPro can pick it up here. And we do have the enclosed underbelly on this Bullet. So I'm going to take a step back here. Moving on to the back. We do have our backup camera ready system up above here. We do, since this is a bunkhouse, you do have kind of like your, I'm going to call it the escape door or your storage door. So you can store something lengthwise in here, and the other bunk is right here. You have your bunk up top. This bed just comes over, it's just latched into the wall, comes right down to create your sleeping space here as well. So then just closing this here so you can see. We do have our tow ready here, and then we do have our 30 amp service in the back. Ladder to get up on that roof. You do have a solar panel up above here as well. Here's our side view. And then moving on down. So this one does have your little outdoor kitchen, which I really like for a smaller unit like this. You do have your fridge and then your your griddle right here. Furnace and hot water heater are going to be on this side. Again, dual axle. And then our TV mounting bracket up above. Connections down below. And then our GFCI outlets right here. So thermal package, 30K BTU furnace. And this does have your endless hot water heater. I don't have the awning out today just because it's quite a bit windy out here. But we do have it sitting right up above there. And then off on the other side here, so there was the pass-through storage before because I was going over these controls here. But here's the other side here. Lots of storage to work with. We'll do one more look at that front cap here, and then we'll jump on the inside. All right, let's get into it. So first thing here, you're gonna have your fire extinguisher there. Climbing on in. So you're gonna have your command center right here. Wi-Fi compatible. So it's not just that curtain that I was telling you about, it's that this door that does close. So you do have your bed with storage down below. Sorry about that. Then you do have your fan, TV mounting bracket here, your connections up above, storage here, storage here, Storage up above. And then more storage here. Larger closets for clothes, things like that. I really like that. And that's also your exit window. But turning around, here's your slide right here. So really does open up the camper quite a bit. And then before I jump into everything here, you got more storage right when you walk in. Off to the right, you do have your GFCI outlets. Table does compress down into a bed. We got a large U-shaped dinette. Storage below the dinette on both sides. Lots of room to work with there. Charging outlets down below. Coming over to the kitchen area right behind me, you do have your extension for your countertop. Large stainless steel sink. A lot of counter space up above. Smart TV with your Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney Plus. Looking at some of the storage into the kitchen, and then we'll touch on the microwave / oven here, or cooktop. Three burner, microwave right at eye level. All of our manuals and all of our information on this bullet. Coming over to the right. Storage here. So in case, you know, people are using the bunks here, kids have this bunk area, they can store their clothes, things like that in here as well. And this is what I was talking about because I was just at that door there. So here's the bunk that's all the way up here. And then let's see if I can get a good, yes I can. You can kind of see right here, it's just latched into the wall. It'll come right down for you guys. There's our other bunk. And then looking at the fridge freezer. There we go. Let's see here. There we go. Lots of room to work with here. And then last but not least, the bathroom, and then we'll do one final look from the bathroom just to kind of see the kitchen and the bedroom. And again, this is a smaller unit, but for what it has in it, I think it's great for, you know, a small family. A lot of options on this. Taller shower. There's our vent. And then we do have our medicine cabinet here. Toothpaste, anything you might need in here. Outlets and controls. More storage down below. So turning around here, just doing one look of everything from the bathroom here. So we'll have our dinette, kitchen area, bedroom there, AC up above. I think there's a lot of room in this. You know, like I said, for a small family, it's got a lot to work with, a lot of versatility. So, but that's gonna do it for this video. So if you want to know more about this unit, like I said at the beginning of the video, everything's gonna pop up right around here. All my information is in the description box below. Feel free to call me, email me. My number is 218-740-4965. Again, this is Nate Green from Bullion RV. Help us get to 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one.